All right, this video is going to be to show you how to install your deflector shield onto your Herd broadcaster. Regardless of if you are doing this at home, you've ordered this as a part, or if you're here at Casco installing one, this video should be helpful for you. So the way I personally do it, I take two of these C-clamps. I will hold the deflector shield from the back at about level and evenly spaced between the two sides of the broadcaster. And I will put a light clamp on one side, and then I'll move around to the side of the unit and double check and make sure that the deflector shield has been properly spaced. I want it to be generally level across the top here and evenly placed between each side of the broadcaster. But more importantly, for the operation of your unit, is going to be right down in here. I'm going to go ahead and take you off the stand real quick. Right down inside here is the most important part. Let me show you why. We want to make sure that our deflector shield is not coming into contact with the blades of the fan or the seat gate. Now, before you go and install it permanently with your metal self-tapping screws, you want to give that fan a good spin and make sure you don't hear it contacting at all. You also would like to go around to the back of your unit and open and close your seat gate and make sure it's not coming into contact with your deflector shield. Once you are satisfied, make sure you clamp it firmly in place on both sides, and then go get your metal self-tapping screws and possibly a drill bit to install it. These are the tools that you will likely need: an impact with a 3/8 size socket, your self-tapping screws, which either came to you in the kit with your deflector shield or are over here in our tubs if you're here at Casco. Sometimes, not always, you're going to need a 3/16 drill bit. And the reason why I say sometimes, not always, is because it depends on who welded these frames together. This metal tube here has a seam that runs down the center of one of the four sides. And every once in a while, that seam will be faced in the direction of your deflector shield and will run across the hole that you are going to use to mount it. If that is the case, your self-tapping screw is going to have some real trouble getting through there. So instead of dealing with that, get your 3/16 drill bit and drill that out slightly, or drill it out and put your self-tappers in. If you are here at Casco and you cannot read the measurement on the bottom of your drill bit for whatever reason, and you're unsure whether or not it is the right size, I have this hole drilled in the bin that is the correct size. So just go ahead and put your drill bit in there just to check, because you do not want to drill too large of a hole that those self-tappers are not going to grab and attach your deflector shield. So just double check and make sure you are using the correct size drill bit if you are going to use one. All right, let's see if we won the metal seam lottery here. Try to get a self-tapper through that hole. Bingo. All right, you're obviously going to want to do that to both sides. Then you're going to want to recheck your spacing between your fan and your seat gate to make sure that when you installed this self-tapper, it didn't shift the plate up or down, causing it to come out of alignment. So just go ahead and give your fan a nice little spin. Make sure you don't hear it coming into contact with your deflector shield. Get down, visibly inspect, obviously, and then also move your seat gate in and out and make sure it's not coming into contact. If you messed up, don't panic. You can shift that deflector shield to the left or right a little bit, or maybe up or down a little bit, depending on how much space you have in there, to get a new spot to drill a hole in. And so you do have, one or two tries at this. It is not super complicated, so I'm confident you'll be able to handle it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.